Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, we will be comparing the display quality comparison between the Honor 9X versus the Huawei Y9 Prime. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel friends, SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison videos. So you can find the playlist for the display comparisons as well. So separately, I have included the display comparison playlist. So where you can find plenty of videos which are related to the display only. So not only that, even you can find the playlist of Honor 9X and Huawei Y9 Prime as well. So where I uploaded plenty of videos on the Honor 9X and Huawei Y9 Prime. So take a look at the description for more details. So now let's check the display specifications and comparison between the Honor 9X versus the Y9 Prime. So what are the similarities and everything we can get to know here. As you can see that the Honor 9X is the same display quality like the Huawei Y9 Prime. So here you can see here LTPS IPS LCD panel. So same kind of display test I'll be doing comparison side by side with the normal LCD panel from the Realme 5S device. So we'll get to know whether having the LTPS LCD panel makes a difference or not. But in this video, both the phones are having the same kind of display settings as you can see here, and both are of same kind of display size 6.5 inches and same resolution as well. So pretty much all the specifications about both the phones are same in terms of the display on paper. So let's see whether it's actually in the real life it is same, or whether the Honor 9X is better or Huawei Y9 Prime is better. So as you can see friends, right now I am playing the 1080p video in both the phones. So here I am holding the Huawei Y9 Prime and the bottom one is a Honor 9X device, as you can see here. So right now I'm using with the full brightness, as you can see clearly with the 15%. So let me bring it close to the displays so you can understand the quality here. So here you can see friends, the colors in the Honor 9X looks a little bit of high saturated than the Huawei Y9 Prime. So if you look personally, I can notice there's a slightly increased contrast ratio in the Honor 9X device. So you can observe closely to the darker colors, green and red. So let's see the side angles of both the phones. So overall guys, having the pop-up camera selfie is the main advantage of full screen experience in both the phones here. So same kind of display test I have compared with the Realme X2 as well. So overall guys, the LTPS IPS panel is very good. At least having the LTPS is a quite advantage without having the LTPS panel. So just the normal IPS LCD panel doesn't have this kind of eye saturation levels. So overall guys, both the displays are good, but I would prefer the Honor 9X display instead of Huawei Y9 Prime. I'm not sure why, because both the phones are having the same kind of display specifications on the paper, but still the Honor 9X has slightly advantage in terms of the color reproduction. So let me show you exactly settings of the phone, so what I'm using right now, so you'll get a clear idea. So here is the display settings for both the phones. So you can see same kind of settings I am using. So here is the Huawei Y9 Prime and the Honor 9X. I can see, as you can see here, so I turned off the eye comfort mode and everything, and screen resolution I set to the full. So both the phones are using the same kind of settings. There's nothing change in that. So now let me try to decrease the brightness, and let's see which phone has a better brightness in darker scenarios. As you can see, I try to decrease to number height right now. So when I try to decrease to the 8 in both the phones, you can see the Honor 9X has slightly higher brightness when compared with the Huawei Y9 Prime. Clearly you can notice the difference. So let me try to decrease more. So right now I decreased to the number 5. So let me try to decrease in Honor 9X number 5. As you can see here, the Honor 9X has a little bit of higher brightness levels. So let me decrease completely to 0 and let's check which phone is brighter. So here you can see friends, the Honor 9X is as a slightly advantage in terms of the brightness levels. But if you want to watch the movies in darker scenarios like during the traveling at night time, then the Hawaii Wine Prime is best. So overall guys, these are the quick comparison in terms of the display quality between both the phones, Hawaii Wine Prime and the Honor 9X device. So for more display comparison, subscribe to my channel guys. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the display comparisons of other smartphones as well. So you can find plenty of videos on other smartphones. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.